Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing okay. Welcome to another lesson with Teacher Mary from the Mars Family channel. And in today's lesson, we're looking at how we read words with double E which is EE, and words with EA. So these are digraphs. These are digraphs. Remember, I'm always going to be reminding you that a digraph is two letters teaming up to make one sound. So these letters are teaming up to make one sound, which is one sound E. E. For the case of EA, sometimes it makes another sound, which is the short A, but for now we're not looking at that. We're looking at words where it makes the long E sound. We shall first of all look at words where the EE make the E sound, the double E. So we have words like fit, eat, fit, eat, meat, read, read, ill, peel, ch, e, ch, e. TR is a blend. Those two letters are spoken quickly together and then followed by EE to mean a tree. EE, which makes sound E. Tree. Tree. Street. Street is a blend. It's a three consonant blend, which is STR, STR, spoken together, quickly together, followed by this digraph EE, which is E and T. Street, street. B, B, E. Week, W, eek, week. Teeth, teeth. So there are two digraphs in the word teeth. The EE is a digraph that makes E sound. The TH is also a digraph that makes C, E, C. So in cases where the EA still makes the E sound under these words are dream, dream. So this is not EE, but it is EA, but it still makes the same sound. Clean, clean. Sit, eat. This is ES sound. Cream, cream. Leaf, leaf. C, E. Pitch, H. Ch, ch is also another digraph that makes the CH is another digraph that makes ch sound. P, H, pitch. Read, read. Beach, B, H. So, is your child improving how to read? Let's take it slow. If your child is not yet to this level, please make sure you go back to the alphabetic letter sound or the phonics of all those letters. They have to be at the back of their mind when they are learning how to read. If your child is not yet there, please make sure you go back and teach them how to sound those letters so we can be on the same page or we can grow up together. That was it for today's video. If you're new, if you're just learning how to read, please take it slow. Don't be so hard on yourself. Slowly by slowly, we shall get there. Thank you so much. We're still learning how to read the combination of two letters or three letters, such that when we find it somewhere, we're not puzzled, so that we already know them and we can easily read them. So later on, we shall start reading stories or practicing after we've covered almost all the important stuff. We shall go ahead and come up with stories and see how fun reading is. Thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if it was important. Please subscribe if you're passing by for the very first time. Turn on the bell notification to get to know of when we have posted a new video. And those that always watch our videos, I cannot thank you enough. I cannot thank you enough. Have a beautiful day. Let's seal up from here. Bye.